Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roku application not working on your Android device. If you're having trouble with your Roku application on Android, then simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to use your Roku application on your Android device, or if you're simply having trouble with the app or the application is simply not cooperating with you, then here is how you can fix the issue. First, make sure that you are using the newer version of Roku application. Go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and download the latest version of Roku app. And once you are done, make sure that your Android device is running on the latest version. Simply go ahead and open up settings from your Android device. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on software update. Now tap on download and install button at the top. Check for available updates for your Android operating system. If there is any updates available, go ahead and update it right away if your software is up to date. And once your software is up to date, go back to your Roku application and launch it open to see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, the next thing to do is to restart your device and try launching the Roku app again. Press and hold the power switch from your Android phone and tap on restart. Once you restart your system, tap open Roku application and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to try clearing the cache and data for the app. Go and tap open Settings app from your Android. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap Apps. From the app list, search for Roku application, and once you find it, give it a tap. Now tap on Storage from the app info page. Tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left. Now it will ask you to tap on the OK button to confirm that you would want to clear out your data. But remember that you must know your credentials for your Roku account, since the application's data will be deleted permanently once you proceed through this step. Once you tap on OK, go back and tap open your Roku application from the app drawer and restart your application again. Allow all the necessary access for the app, and that might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Roku application is not working on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.